Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful house, step by step. Let's start drawing. First I'm drawing the top of this house, which looks like a complete triangle. I drew a long line down with 2 lines on both sides. I'm drawing branches down to the right and left again, and so I'll match the 2 spots with this line. We also went up to the inside of the triangle for this shape, and inside it, a window like a door is about to open. Like this. We are drawing many small lines to create a design for the house. And we are now going to put a huge door that looks very nice in the house. Double lines. And next to it, we have a huge window. I draw small trees to look good. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. The first color I will use is light blue color. Yellow color in the middle part. Again, light blue color. Red color. This time, I'm giving it to children in their favorite color, pink. Now I am painting the entire wall of the house dark blue. Dark green color. Brown color. Again, pink color. Light blue color. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!